Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to install an SSL in Hostinger. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, click on Websites from the top. Then click on Dashboard next to your website. And from this left side menu, click on Security, then SSL. Now select your website from this drop-down list and click this Install SSL button. As you can see, my SSL certificate is being installed and it will be automatically forced on my domain. You can close this little window. As you can see, my SSL installation may take up to an hour. To check if it is installed successfully, refresh this page and look for the status if it is changed to completed instead of installing. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.